Hey everybody, it's Anthony, and I'm here in the first grade wing of the new school, and I am talking to you about an unboxing. I'm showing you an unboxing video, just like they have on YouTube that the kids love. When you open up a new toy and everything, you've got a whole bunch of new toys in this box ready to go. The box that I'm speaking of looks like this. You should have a box or something like it in your classroom, and it's got a ton of stuff in it that you're going to need. So before you go and open it, or if you did already open it, and you went through everything and put it away nice, that's fine, but I want to make sure that you understand what is in the box. So, I'm opening the box. Ms. Demerit's here. Okay, so, in this box, we've got a number of things. We have, and they're not in any particular order, so I'm just going to go through everything that we have in the box here. So we've got a blue bag here like this. It's got your HDMI cable in it. That's going to be helpful for situations when you want to directly plug in a laptop to your projector to display it on your screen. So that's an HDMI cable. You should have one of those in your box. Right there. You're going to have this fun-looking square thingamabobber that's got two holes. This is going to hold your markers for your board. It's magnetic. It's going to stick right to it, just like that. Okay, and you're going to put your two markers right in there. And I'll go and do that in just a few minutes. You're going to have, this is a USB cable. This is for your document camera. So this is going to go to connect your document camera to your laptop. So that is what that one is for. And then you have your actual document camera in here too. Document camera looks like this. You may have seen some of these flying around the district last year. These are the new ones that we've been getting and putting in classrooms. Looks like this. And it's got the nice, whoops, where does it go? Here it is. You pull that out there like that. And it's got the arm thingy. And you move it around however you want to move it around. That's the document camera. So that should be in that box too. Next, you have instructions. This is instructions. The top one is for a Smart Learning Suite. We're not going to really use that. But these are instructions for your BrightLink. This is for the projector that's mounted on your wall. That projector right there. It's the one that's mounted on your wall. That's the Epson BrightLink. It is interactive and it is a touch panel, and we'll go through that a little bit at some trainings later. This is a USB cable. This USB cable is going to allow, if you have your laptop connected to your, with the HDMI cable to the projector using the outlets that you see over here. These outlets over here. You have your HDMI ports. If you have those plugged in there, you can make your computer be interactive from the screen, so you can touch the screen and it'll open up things on your computer. You need to have this USB plugged in. So there's two ends, the USB cord. There's one end that's kind of a funny looking end, this one. That's going to go into the wall, and then there's the normal looking USB that's going to go into your computer. So if you do want your computer to be touchscreen and it's wired in, then you would use that. Ideally, when the Wi-Fi is working, you won't need to have it connected with a wire. You will just do it wirelessly, and then it's a lot easier to do the interactivity there with that. Next thing in here, this is a charger for some rechargeable batteries. You're going to want to put this, plug this in, take the batteries out, and plug it in. When you do that, let me just open this up. So when you open this up, you're going to see two batteries, which is great. But you're also going to notice that there's a piece of cardboard right here that you want to take out before you start charging them. So I'm going to take that out, and then you're going to charge those puppies up. So you're going to want to plug these right into the wall. Like that. All right. You're going to need those batteries for these things. These are markers for this whiteboard, for the BrightLink projector. These require batteries. So when those are charged up, you're going to take these out. You're going to open it up. And you're going to put the battery right in there. 1 battery per marker. Then you take the the markers, and you put them here in a nice little slot. So then you're not going to lose them, ideally. You get 2 of those, so you're going to do the same thing for both of those. Okay? That's the markers. And then, what else we got here? Last but not least, the remote. This is the remote for your Epson BrightLink projector. It requires 2 AA batteries, which are also in your box. Take the batteries out of the package, put them in here. Hey everybody, one more thing before you go. I just remembered to say, if you are missing any of these items that they're not in your box, please submit a help desk ticket because we need to make sure that you have that. I noticed in 1 or 2 classrooms a box was missing an HDMI cable or something like that, so I know people have mentioned that to me. So please make sure that you let us know if you are missing anything out of this box. So that is the great unboxing of your box of mystery items in your classroom. If you have any questions about any of those items, let me know. Happy to help at any time. Hope you have a great day. Thanks.